Namaste, Khusro Bhatia. Myself, Dr. Rambir Singh Meena, Assistant Professor, Sanskrit and Yoga Department, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. In previous session, we discussed hepatitis C virus and what is the prevention method. तो कैसे क्योर उसको करना है, कैसे अब उनको प्रिवेंट करना है, तो क्या उसका ट्रीटमेंट है, आज अपन डिस्कस करेंगे हेपेटाइटिस ई एंड डी. नाउ वी फोकस ऑन स्लाइड. लिसन केयरफुली. Hepatitis E and D. Hepatitis V first discuss. The infection caused by hepatitis E virus, which was discovered in 1980 as essentially a waterborne disease. Waterborne disease में कौन सी थी? Food and waterborne, hepatitis A and E. तो उसमें E भी एक है. Formerly termed enterically transmitted hepatitis known A and known A. Hepatitis E virus is a 29 nm to 32 nm RNA virus with genotype 4 type genotype is type 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Hepatitis E is found worldwide and different genotype of the hepatitis E virus determine differences in epidemiologically. For example, genotype 1st is usually seen in developing countries and cause community level outbreak, while genotype 3rd is usually seen in developed country. तो याद रखना है कि कौन सा जीनोटाइप, यानी जीनोटाइप फर्स्ट मिलेगा डेवलपिंग कंट्री में, जीनोटाइप थर्ड जो है डेवलप्ड कंट्री में. यहाँ से अगर डीप क्वेश्चन आया तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बन सकता है वैसे जो हाई लेवल के कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम होते हैं. And does not cause outbreak. Hepatitis E prevalence is highest in East and South Asia, with genotype first most commonly found in India. Countries with limited sources, example limited access to essential water, sanitation, hygiene and health services for frequently affected. Transmission इसका hepatitis E virus is transmitted mainly through a fecal oral route due to fecal contamination of drinking water. Other transmission route have been identified, which include foodborne transmission from injection of products derived from infected animal, transmission of infected blood product, vertical transmission from a pregnant woman to her fetus, incubation period 3 to 8 weeks with a man of 40 days. Symptomatic infection is more common in young adult aged 15 to 40 years. Although infection is frequent in children, the disease is mostly asymptomatic or cause a very mild illness without jaundice that goes undiagnosed. The typical symptoms are jaundice, loss of appetite, abdominal pain and tenderness, nausea and vomiting, fever, and enlarged and tender liver. Diagnosis of hepatitis C infection is therefore usually based on the detection of specific IgM and IgG antibodies to the virus in the blood. Additional tests include reverse transcript polymerase chain reaction. तो ये किसके अंदर होता है? हेपेटाइटिस ई के अंदर. याद रखना है तुम्हें. तो रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेस polymerase chain reaction test किसके अंदर होता है? हेपेटाइटिस ई. To detect the hepatitis C virus RNA in blood or stool, but this assay may require specialized laboratory facilities. Treatment: hepatitis E is usually self-limiting. Prevention is the most effective approach against the disease, as there is no specific treatment for altering of course of acute hepatitis. Hospitalization is required or fulminant cases and is symptomatic pregnant women. Recovery from disease is always complete. No specific immunoglobulin prophylaxis is available. Prevention: the risk of infection and transmission can be reduced by maintaining quality standard or public water supply and other establishing proper disposal system to eliminate sanitary waste on an individual level. Infection risks can be reduced by पहला किसके द्वारा? पहला है इसमें मेंटेनिंग हाइजीनिक प्रैक्टिस सच एज हैंड वॉश विथ सेफ वाटर, particularly before handling food, avoiding drinking water or rice unknown purity, adhering to WHO safe food practice. In 2011, the first vaccine to prevent hepatitis E infection was registered in China, although is not available globally. वो चाइना के अंदर ये केवल जो रिसेंट में भी खोजा गया है. और नेक्स्ट है इसमें हेपेटाइटिस डी वायरस. तो हेपेटाइटिस डी वायरस इज फाउंड थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड but with a non-uniform distribution. Its highest prevalence has been reported in Italy, the Middle East, Central Asia, West Africa, and South America. Hepatitis D virus infect all ages person who have received multiple transfusion, intravenous drugs absorbers, and their close contact at high risk. The primary route of transmission are believed to be similar to those of hepatitis B virus, though the hepatitis D virus does not appear to sexually transmitted disease. Infection is dependent on hepatitis B virus replication, as hepatitis B provides a hepatitis B surface antigen involved for hepatitis D virus. Incubation period 2 to 12 week. Hepatitis D has transmitted perinatally, but fundamentally it is not prevalent in regions of the world such as Asia, where perinatal transmission of hepatitis B occur frequently. Two epidemiological pattern of hepatitis D infection has been identified in Mediterranean countries, and hepatitis D infection is endemic among persons with hepatitis B, and most infections are thought to be transmitted by intimate contact in non-endemic areas such as United States and Northern Europe. Hepatitis D virus infection is confined to person exposed frequently to blood and food blood product, drug addict, and hemophilus. Hepatitis D can be prevented by vaccinating hepatitis B virus susceptible person with hepatitis B vaccine. However, vaccination does not protect hepatitis B carrier from superinfection of by hepatitis D virus. तो इस आज काफी है इतना, और ये हेपेटाइटिस आपका कंप्लीट हो चुका है. तो ये सारा कुछ पढ़ने के बाद आपको एक चीज इसमें कॉमन लगी होगी कि ये मेनली आपको ये इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड वगैरह है, सिरिंज वगैरह है, या इन्फेक्टेड वाटर, फूड कंटामिनेशन, तो सैनिटरी सिस्टम, तो अपने को हाइजीन का विशेष ख्याल रखना है इसमें. तो विशेष हाइजीन का ख्याल रखते हुए अपन वायरल हेपेटाइटिस के जितने भी टाइप हैं उनसे बचा जा सकता है. तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. और यहाँ से वही क्वेश्चन, इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड कितना है, और ई का और डी का, और ऐसे कई सारे क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं. बस ये नॉलेज के लिए आपको इतना काफी है. अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक का नेक्स्ट डिसीज हम पढ़ेंगे डायरिया. आज के लिए इतना काफी है. थैंक यू.